The MG6 got a sporty makeover last year, and the company is now amping things up with a new XPower limited edition. Shown on Weibo, the MG6 XPower is being billed as the company's first official factory-modified model that features the ultimate racing aesthetic. The automaker didn't go into many specifics, but the MG6 XPower features an aggressive front fascia with revised air intakes. We can also see a front splitter and a unique grille with vertical bars. Moving further back, the model has been outfitted with a wider track and extended wheel arches. Designers also gave the car aerodynamic side skirts, a massive rear diffuser and a four-tailpipe sports exhaust system. Rounding out the highlights are black accents, green brake calipers and a sizable rear wing. The sporty styling continues in the cabin as drivers will find green seat belts and heavily bolstered sport seats with XPower embroidery. Elsewhere, there's a leather and microfiber flat-bottom steering wheel, green contrast stitching, and limited edition door sill plates. Other niceties include microfiber trim and an infotainment system with gauge light displays. There's no word on what powers the car, but MG apparently said the vehicle will be a beast. That being said, the translation is a bit rough, and we doubt the sport's performance directly bursts the table.